Hello everyone. In this video, we'll draw together this cherry cake in IbisPaint. So let's go. First, I started with drawing two circles and two vertical lines, and I fill it. In a new layer, I draw the crust. According to the light source, I start shading and adding highlights to add some brilliance to the cake. Using soft pastel brush, I add shadow to the crest. To make it look more natural, I use sputtering brush to add more details. I add more lights and shadows. To decorate this cake, I choose to draw cherries. So I used felt tip pen brush to draw it. Using airbrush and pen fade brush, I add shadows and highlights. In a new layer, I paint cherry's shadow. I add more details until it becomes ready. And the result is in the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please tell me in the comments if this tutorial was helpful. Don't forget me with a like and subscribe.